For this project, I'm going to be using this old pillow that I have to create a smaller pillow insert for my cushion cover. I got this cushion cover from Shein, and as you can see, it's quite small compared to my old pillow. So I'm going to be showing you how to reuse this old pillow to make a smaller one for this cushion cover. The first step, you're going to take your old pillow and then you're going to cut one side. Next step, I'm going to be taking the filling from the pillow and then I'm going to be placing them in this plastic bag right here. After we've removed all our filling, we're now going to be putting this aside, and then we're going to be taking our pillowcase cover and then we're going to be turning it inside out. Next, I'm going to be taking my pillow cover and I'm going to be placing it on the sides that are sewn already, and this is because I want to minimize a lot of sewing. And then I'm going to be taking my fabric marker and I'm going to be tracing all around. And after tracing, I'm going to be taking my tape measure and I'm going to add 1/2 inch allowance on both sides. And after tracing, I'm going to go ahead and cut. Next step, I'm going to be taking my pins and I'm going to be pinning on both sides. On one side, I'm going to be marking 6 inches up, and this is going to be the little space that we're going to leave so that we can be able to insert our pillow filling. And then we're going to be sewing all the way till the 6th mark and we're going to stop there. And to sew this, you can either sew this by hand sewing along the lines or you can use a sewing machine like I am going to do. And we're going to be sewing this with a 1/2 inch sewing allowance. And when you get to that mark, you're going to stop and then do a back stitch. After we've sewn the two sides, we're now going to be turning our pillowcase inside out through that opening that we left. And after we've turned our pillowcase inside out, we're going to iron it, and I'm going to do it off camera. After I've ironed my cover, I'm then going to take my fillings and I'm going to insert them through that opening that we left. After filling the pillow, we're going to set the leftover aside, and then we're going to be closing that little opening that we left before, and this is going to be the last step for this project. And this is how it looks after sewing. Lastly, I'm going to be taking my pillow and I'm going to be inserting it in our pillowcase cover. And this is how our cushion or pillow looks after sewing, and I think it turned out great. So if you have bought or you have a cushion cover but you don't have a pillow insert, save your money sis and use your old pillow that you have to make a pillow insert. And as usual, you guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll be seeing you on my next video. Bye and God bless.